you for the introduction. Our next honoree has become an influential and courageous voice advocating for freedom, human rights, and the Iranian people. Through fearless advocacy, she has elevated awareness around the issues affecting both Iran and the Jewish community worldwide. From surviving the attack on the Nova Music Festival to being outspoken for the Jewish community and Iranians who are left without a voice in Iran, Natalie is someone who we can all emulate. Tonight, Shai is very proud to recognize Natalie Sanandaji as a young leader in the Persian community. Please join us in welcoming her to the stage.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Natalie Sanandaji, and I'm a Persian-American Jew, born to Iranian and Israeli parents, and I grew up right here in the Jewish Persian community of Great Neck. On October 7th, I was at the Nova Music Festival in Israel. I didn't learn about that day from the news. I lived it. I ran for my life for hours. I watched Hamas terrorists shoot people right in front of me. I survived. But unfortunately, over 1,200 others did not. I'm one of the few American survivors of October 7th. When I returned home, I thought I would finally feel safe again. Instead, I was met by crowds in streets chanting slogans, calling for another October 7th. When I first began speaking publicly after October 7th, I mostly shared my story, what it was like running from Hamas, and what it has felt like to watch anti-Semitism rise around the world in the aftermath of the attacks. But as time went on, I started to notice something else. There was a major gap in people's understanding of where the Iranian people stand in relation to this war. The Iranian people, both inside Iran and across the diaspora, understand better than anyone that this war was not only carried out by Hamas. It was enabled and funded by the Iranian regime, by the IRGC, which supports Hamas and many other terror proxies around the Middle East. That's when I realized how important it was for me, as a Persian Jewish Nova survivor, to help fill that gap and educate people. Because today, I'm not only here as a survivor, I'm here as a Persian Jew. I was raised in Great Neck, surrounded by the Iranian Jewish community, people whose families lived in Persia, modern-day Iran, for over 2,700 years, since the first exile from Judea. Persian Jews are living proof of the deep, beautiful history between the Jewish and Persian people. And that's why this moment in history feels so extraordinary to me. For the first time since the 1979 revolution, we're seeing something that many of us never thought would be possible. Open unity between the Iranian people and the people of Israel, standing together against one common enemy, a regime that has oppressed both of them. As a Nova survivor, as a Jew, as a Persian Jew, of Iranian descent, and as a woman, I feel a responsibility to speak up and to help the world better understand what this war is really about, and to open people's eyes to the fact that this unity between our peoples is not surprising at all. It is rooted in thousands of years of shared history. It is truly an honor to be part of this community, a community that has a deep and rich history, the Persian Jewish community, and it is such an honor to be with all of you here tonight. Thank you for having me.
You're such an inspiration to all of us, to us adults. You're such an inspiration. I can't imagine how inspiring you are to our young people. Your community is so proud of you, and we're so honored here at Shai to recognize you and recognize your work. Congratulations.